Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Hyundai Santa Fe oil light. This light typically illuminates after a certain mileage, reminding you it's time for an oil change. It's important to perform this reset only after the oil and filter have actually been replaced. First, make sure your Santa Fe's engine is completely off and the ignition is in the off position. This ensures a safe and proper start to the reset process. Now, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Look at your instrument cluster display. You'll use the buttons on your steering wheel, usually on the right side, to navigate through the menus. Press the page or menu button until you see the user settings. Once there, scroll down using the up and down arrows until you locate the service interval option. This is where we'll begin the reset. With service interval highlighted, press the OK button on your steering wheel. You should then see options related to the service reminder. Look for the reset option. Select reset and then confirm your choice when prompted. This action will clear the current service interval data and turn off the oil light. It's a straightforward process designed to be user-friendly for Santa Fe owners. After confirming the reset, turn your ignition completely off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back to the on position, or even start the engine briefly. The oil light on your dashboard should now be off, indicating a successful reset. This confirms the service reminder has been cleared. Always remember that resetting the light doesn't replace actual maintenance. Regular oil changes are crucial for your Hyundai Santa Fe's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.